Welcome to RemedialOne YouTube channel. This is what we help students prepare for their exams. In this video, I'm going to solve WASSCE 2022 Core Mathematics Question 1. Let's look at the question. The third and eighth terms of a geometric progression GP are 4 and 1/256 respectively. Find the A common ratio, B first term, C sum of the first and second terms. So let's look at how we are going to solve this one. Now for geometric progression, the n term given by A r raised to the power n minus 1. Now the n term also represents a particular term. For example, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, or the last term. We have been given the third term. So for the third term, n becomes 3. So third term, for the third term, n is equal to 3. So U3 is equal to A R 3 minus 1, which is equal to A R raised to the power 2. Now A is the first term and then R is the common ratio. The eighth term, which is U8, will be A R to the power 8 minus 1, which is the first term times the common ratio raised to the power 7. From the question, the third term is equal to 4. So this implies that AR to the power 2 is equal to 4. Let's label this as equation 1. A times R raised to the power 7 is equal to 1/256. This is our second equation. So we have to find the first term and the common ratio. So to solve it, see we have AA. So when we divide, A will cancel out. So let's say equation 2 divided by equation 1. So we have AR to the power 7 over AR to the power 2 is equal to 1/256 divided by 4. So this A will cancel A, and then by indices, the 2 will go up and then subtract. So we have R to the power 5 is equal to 1/256 times 1/4. We are dividing two fractions. So R to the power 5 is equal to 1/1024. 256 times 4. And we want to find R. So we can take the fifth root on both sides. So R will be equal to the fifth root of 1/1024. So you can use your calculator to compute this, and you will not be penalized. So R will be equal to the cube root of the whole thing is equal to 1/4. So that is the common ratio. And knowing the common ratio, we can put it in any of the two equations to find our A. So one equation is AR squared is equal to 4. Then AR to the power 7 is equal to 1/256. So let's use the simple one. So from equation 1, R squared is equal to 4. But R is equal to 1/4. So which implies that A times 1/4 all to the raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. And then we have A multiplying 1/4 4 squared is 16, but 1 squared remains at 1 is equal to 4. So we can cross multiply. So therefore our a first, let's multiply to a on 16 is equal to 4. So our a becomes 4 times 16. So a is equal to 64. So that is, so first a, we are asked to find the common ratio. Then b, a common ratio is equal to 1 on 4. Then b, first term equal to 64. Now let's look at the last part. We have to find the sum of the first and then second terms. We already know the first term, so let's look at the second term. We said that the n term of GP is given by a r to the power n minus 1. So which means that the second term will be a r to the power 2 minus 1, which is equal to AR. Now we know our first term, we know the common ratio. So which is, the first term is 64 times, common ratio is 1 on 4. So 4 will go into 64 16 times. So which is 16. We have to find sum of the first term and then the second term. So which is 64 plus 16, and when you put them together you are going to get 80. Go. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll be coming your way with the rest of the questions. So stay in touch. God bless you. See you another time.